She dey come, she carry syringe come follow body come. And she carry syringe follow body. She say now wetin her daughter talk. Say this one go still work for her. Make she take him. Now she carry her come Italy. I can say how they tell the user. I say if you knock, if you release or something, draw come out. Now because of the likeness what I get for her, then now make me call for my own mind. Make okay since she need this Pikin, make I just do one for her. I swear to God who creates me. Yes, not the now what happen, not the
where that boy when they talk, not they look at
now what happen. So when she bring the syringe after we knock, now I put her for the I put my pre for container, I draw come out. Now you see time say the doctor say he wanted do one. I not go check up once. Now they go check up for real sickness with their body. Because not be one sickness with their body. When she bring her, we call it doing, I put on. She can't come out 1 to 2 weeks later. She call say, she they call me. I didn't call to mama. Now I can't tell her I didn't call to mama. I say make me add and join call 1 week plus. Now I add and join call. They show me this is say he don't take you. Now because say congrats to mama say congrats to. For my own me I'm not speaking. I had to take the get belly. Yeah, 1 week. Now I say okay. Now we can't take the July. She said she carry belly July. She can't go born for February. That was 7 months. That was 7 months. July she can't go born for February 21. And before she come aside, if I lie for this thing, now this one will carry juju. He go swear this one. Before she come aside, 1 week before she come aside, she come go see Kokobiri. I can't see the shot for her test. Where Kokobiri say me ready. Me ready say in day outside. She can't say okay my love. I can't say she fed dinner. When we call the coco, now she can't tell it say now the same man Kokobiri now writes that message. Now because the time where that first matter what I say, he first say what disgrace son about knocking. He say they knock Kokobiri. Now she can't tell. Now me can't tell say I need DNA. Now for that, I felt they tell her DNA before. I can't tell her for DNA. Say I need DNA. As I have to talk, I need DNA. Never reach 2 minutes. He all carry phone. Person where he shot, he name a Kevin. He say the message where right giver is asking for DNA. Ask her if not lie, the lie is asking for DNA. Now, that's why we get Papa Pikin self say he come like say they shook up for my head. Now me the way the question is asking for DNA. Now I say, who be this person? He say, talk go this side, talk go this side, talk go this side. Before he call the Kevin say, in my best friend, he say many things. The Kevin now they tell me now, he say many things we know about this girl self, when me not know. If me ever open mouth, they tell me some kind of things, me go open mouth. Me cause he tell her, say, you know, say, now me cause he open mouth, say, me cause he tell her, say, this life will not be everything you dey tell person. You don't know who you are and you go get issue tomorrow. And understand me, I ain't go get issue tomorrow. Because they tell her a form of advice. So for that syringe, Joe, I don't debunk that one. Not be me. Not be me they find Pikin. I'm not desperate for Pikin. Now they find Pikin. You say that they laugh one. I'm not desperate for Pikin. Everybody know. Our friends still know.
They laugh at how old is she?
She dead 30 now. How old that man? She senior me. I be small Pikin for where she did. Yes, I be small Pikin for where you did.
I know, Pastor Grace. We cannot tell you go. Yeye.
This girl.
How old? This is
no, I say na must.
That one be age maybe that now. That one I can't hear now.
Yeah, this girl be so for that mopoli. For that mopoli. Now me, ask how they cause quarrel. Where go say na so they get fight. Ask how they cause quarrel. Now so person. Now so this one go say that so they don't fuck on. This one will say they don't fuck on. Oh God, not very simple. He don't say this one go say they don't knock her. The other one say they don't knock her. I'll come ask her for us. Now truth. As a woman, she go tell you say nah truth or not lie. If you want to answer me, go say anything where you want believe. It not concern me. I say that means you do. He go say I don't they call her Ashawo. You not be Ashawo. Why you not answer that statement? You say anything where you want believe on.
No,
really, now
wait,
two people for that monopoly.
Before you continue, this do and so. Now when una two know a bit before, or maybe
Yes, well, where we know, where we see know, see they do it, where we see know, now this information tell the console. Where we know.
but you never cash out one day.
In a champion for his side. In a champion. As if na lie, you do your own investigation. May investigator for Mopoli, na be city way fed in. May you hear feedback when they'll give you.
I get people for there.
Investigator na Mopoli.
Continue.
So now, so that's what I can't come out. For that beating when they talk, this guy, he go do something for our side. He go do something. You the answer a question. Sure, your best one. She offer throw slap. If you see that video, if you see other video where she sent, where with the wash, your sister not touch her. Now she felt bet me for back. Where she sent you. Now she they draw me for shirt. Now video. Because if I not do that video, she will call her mama saying that's why they beat her. I not get evidence. If mama not they let me they talk. After he don't judge, if mama go to say if two people judge, the matter go they log. But the one way Pikin take judge, if mama would they use and ask me question. Now court no say your Pikin don't judge for you, but you know allow me judge. Don't be so that they do something. So now make me anything where God they go on, I call the video for evidence. Now make evidence called the demand. Now make me the video. So that beating way they talk. That day, that money, I don't forget what your cost argument that day. They don't the grumble. That's why I can't say I know where I the weak. He talk for there. My body do like say I want faint. Then she can't say, your body you are faint, but if I go, you know, come up from my house because say I not clean. Come up from my house. No, say I not quick wake up. If I will say I quick wake up, I for do fair wait. Day your new break. You don't they talk on this side, talk on this side, talk on this side. Now I tell they draw me for shit. Now I see something video run. Now I can't that's why they beat her with Pikin. Now I say, when I tell the beat you with Pikin, if you listen to the voice note, I ask her the question, when I tell the beat you with Pikin, she said the beat her saying that's why I tear her head. Now I say which head? Now I make her draw her head. May I see the head? So that head when she they talk, she go party when we knew no. She can't go they follow her S girlfriend they fight. Now her S girlfriend knock bottle for her head. Now it takes here, he can't come us. Now me I will press the head for her. People where they Mopoli know this news.
People follow her ex
girlfriend they fight. Now that because of the boy, now that one that they get tear bottle for head. People where they Mopoli know this story. If not lie, if you know say you don't Mopoli, if you know it's not truth I they talk, comment yes. People where they Mopoli, they know this thing.
Okay.
That particular news it go viral for that Mopoli. So for that beat you, now me call the tell and say, where the head, which head where they beat you for party? Before they talk, because I don't talk the truth, say now for party, now they for tear your head, now they tear me slap for the video. That means I don't based on say I tell and say now the party, the truth why they talk, now they tear me slap.
Group of beret when you send for me, how that beret to
in a courtis now, in a courtis, because in a courtis too. You see the beret. She used her own mouth tell me saying her ex-boyfriend put her. She na courtis. Now the beret be that.
Okay,
you see
when we started to ask her question, we go ask her the one when they continue.
Okay. So now be that beating. Really, as she slapped me, I see slap and I slap her. Maybe not DNA for take a snap picture or that video picture send you. Yes, I slap her, not lie you. When it slap me, I slap her back because woman when want behave like bandit, you also behave bandit to her.
Bandit. Oh,
she not bandit.
Oh, she not bandit for my life.
Yeah, for my life, she not bandit.
Okay, now the last question before we go still let her talk. Is it true, say from your heart, say that she deport you?
Yes, I see the talker. If you deny run, I go bring juju come. If mama go swear.
Okay.
Yes, I go bring her. Not the one.
What make you feel? Say that she. Like I go bring make you feel say that she deport you.
First of all, she go renew on the 15th on the 15th of July. Now she go put a document for renew. So on the 21, now I go outside. That is 6 days later. We not get argument. He come be like say when you go put. It be like say that video when she sent you. Then when they carry go renew, she carry that video join body. She don't use me to renew, to fight for protection. He come be like say they come tell us anyway way for see this boy. Anyway for see this boy, call us. Anyway for see this boy, call us. Now be that on the 21 where I go there. I not follow I get fight. I not follow I get argument. I not follow I get anything. On the 25, on the 21, but I not follow I get fight. Now they call police. So that on the 21. There is 6 days. 6 days when she go renew. He did that prove what I send you. He did that prove what I send you. See, I'm a So the day when I go court last, that was on the 19th of September. Now that day, now they give her 10 years document. Now that day, now they stamp my deportation paper. Now that day, now they go ask some question for us. Now that day, now they buy my ticket. So you know, fit us now coincidence.
Okay, that make you feel.
And that day, that France come tell me say I be threat to them. Say my baby mama deny me. Which one be? Who they give 4 years? Now they get you. See this? Who you are deceive? You the year where they cost me now. We never ever started. They cost me.
They cost you because we mute her.
Now like this. You say you everybody see.
Okay, and maybe I not see that one. Okay, sorry for that one because of me, Mal. Now you don't explain your own finish, right? How many months you did now? What they take deport you? You know months of you now?
May I say 2 months? 2 months.
2 months.
September 25.
Oh, now you the third deport before January money. January money now October. Okay. Sorry. May you meet your side. Most still hear from your baby mama. Yeah, since you are not born for each other. But we mute to remember when when they talk, since he not talk. So all the things which she will still explain for year, I beg. Me you still mute me she explain. Mao, Mao, come on.
If I not go laugh, I will just laugh. Epa, I beg, you go on mute. I don't want to answer the question that I would like make I tell you, then you go answer whether or not truth have been a lie.
Okay.
When this boy when he go Italy, you guess so. Before he go Italy, he lawyer tell him. He lawyer tell him say, he no go fit get document with his story, except he marry or born. Ask whether I know ask me when me can marry him before he go Italy.
He say no, it's not like that. They say no. Like
you see my baby father, he deny paper. If you know Yegbe, he go tell you say you be bad person, say me I don't bribe you. Now person will not they accept a mistake, you know they accept you wrong. You see, now carry this case come. If this case not favorable, he go say me I bribe you.
No, it's not.
I'm telling you. Person will not they accept a fuck up. And by this boy go court. When he go court, and therefore stop yesterday.
Yes.
After he go court, court won't answer.
Debunk that part because I wasn't talk today.
I don't want to go police station, go donation you. Since when me and you don't take a fight, I don't want the police don't come settle us. Police don't come this ass come settle us. Or the one where they beat me for one room. Police don't come settle us. Police don't come. I be the same Pikin, not because I see they find 10 years. Not people go use this Pikin to shop at Duro. Liam document never come outside today, not because of you. Not because they find things, not be make you say make I go easily and shop at Duro, say your lawyer say me go and shop at Duro. Not be make you say me go and shop at Duro. Your day yeah. You go they lie. You go they lie. You go they lie. Use lie on top line. I take deport you. You don't now so you take the starter. Now so you take the starter. Continue. Now so you take the starter. Why I go deport you? Wait and why is you gain? Wait and why is you gain when I go deport you? To deport you now, you want put money from my pocket. When you tell anybody now say me carry Pikin committee for deportation camp. You tell anybody now say me carry Pikin committee for deportation camp. Me not carry Pikin committee for deportation camp. Maybe go sleep. But me carry Pikin committee for deportation camp, yes or no for Toulouse. You tell people now say me carry Pikin committee for deportation camp.
Kevin,
Like that you.
you carry Pikin come meet you for deportation camp. Tell me time.
Answer, pa.
Yes or no?
Hey, pa, yo, let me judge that case.
No, I just need
Me, I
yes.
just judge the case.
I just need yes or no.
Yes or no?
The man who
He come, but we not, guys, we not see.
okay,
We
but
not see.
We not see.
Kevin, we not see.
Yes, we not see.
Hey, pa, boy, na talk egbe o. Hey, pa, when I go to deportation camp, hey, pa,
wait, the policeman,
no,
wait. Now
no.
the policeman, I tell me, say,
No,
see food where he bring.
no.
I haven't
Kevin,
call
mute.
Alfred, tell Alfred, say, see food where he bring, I share and give the prisoners.
No, wait. Continue, Kevin. He come with Pikin, not see you how.
Thank
He
you.
come, we not see because that the way they call me, I not bring come out. When she come, she bring cellophane of food. And I make her friend tell her, say, your friend come, but she bring food. I share and give the prisoners because I not chop. Why? I don't know that I put something for inside.
You not come outside.
Now the letter that police contact say me I come collect what he bring. I go carry the cellophane, I share and I call a friend and my friend. I say tell them say I share things when he bring come, but I not come out, I not see him. Ask my friend the day say here. One of my friend dey here. Who they say na lie? Ada you dey here. One of my friend dey here.
Epa, wait. I want to debunk this way this boy don't talk. No, Epa, wait. See, when Epa, you see me so, I go tell, if you like me, you judge me, I go tell you the truth. I'm not, nobody, even dead body, they judge him.
Yes.
Ask me, I did so. When this boy, Epa, na me call lawyer. When they carry, when you not call me, say they don't carry and go set. Now your friends he call. When they carry and go set, you not call me. Now your friends he call. When you call your friends now can call me. Tell me say, sticker. If you want to call sticker, now call me say, Kevin call they say they don't carry and go set. Say they go need lawyer. Now I tell your friends, if village when I did for you, if you dey search for lawyer, you go take time because na small village I did. Now I say, since na 30 day, you know if you force, not they ask me that I go court, because you know if you force me go court. Since na 30 day, now I say, now they close to run. I say, make they search for lawyer online. If they see any lawyer, make they send me number. I go call. They can't see lawyer. They can't see they don't communicate with the lawyer. Say the lawyer said to open file whether na money something like that. Now I say make they send me the lawyer number. I can't send it. I can't call my social.
Papa, friend, help you search for lawyer.
Yes. You can't call
lawyer
number.
We can send that for you.
Yes, they can't send me because
other way, you not go fit search for the lawyer on your own.
Because my village, if I search for lawyer, now my village, I go see. And my village here, before you go take time, you go take time for the, you understand me so? Because now then this city, which is near Mopule, near the set, because this my village so, if you find something, sometimes if I they go Carcassonne, which is a 20-something minutes from here, go they do something, even calf na Carcassonne a day.
Wait first, I know. You go there and you see him, Abi? I
go there, I see him for Toulouse here, pa.
And he say you know see him. That will not be problem. We go know the liars now.
Okay.
Just finish.
If I can't send me the number, the lawyer number, I can't call my social. The day when they carry on Monday or Tuesday, I can't call my social, say, I beg, I want to say a urgent. My social can't come. As my social come, I can't call, my social can't call the lawyer, my social can't come on Thursday. If I can come and say, they say that he said that they can't go court on Friday. So on Friday they carry and they go court. On Tuesday, I can't come my social, say, I beg, I want to say an urgent. Social not the best way go your pull out for office like that. Because my social dey Carcassonne. Me, you know, in a village, typical village, I did my social na Carcassonne for the work, which is 35 minutes away from here. My social come on Thursday. As my social come on Thursday, my social call the lawyer. As my social call lawyer can say, since he say now tomorrow in the go court, which is on Friday, say he not get what he go fit do. Say if he go court, they go give a lawyer. Say if they give a lawyer, anything when they talk for that first court, now he go tell no, I go to follow up with the case. Now he go tell no, as he go to follow up with the case after the first court, which is on Thursday. Now we call lawyer. I can't call the friend. I can't tell the friend say see lawyer talk. Say may go court. Now the friend called him say the lawyer don't say the same thing. Say the lawyer don't say the same thing. Say now after it don't go court, come back. Now go fit pick up the case. I can say okay, no problem. I not follow the argue. Now can rest. If this boy can tell his friends, say me they not they tell me anything when concern a deportation, when concern a camp when day. It tell people, me they not they tell me say anything when concern this a deportation when day. I can't chill. I can't call this boy. I can't say after the on Friday, so I think on Saturday of it now I can message and say Alpha. He won't come tell me, he say in don't go court, say na so cast people they come, that they ask and say, that they ask her many questions. Say even Ofi people come. They even come tell and say, me sign paper. Me sign paper, me in case of say they deport and me they for paying. Now I say, I don't understand. It don't reach like that. He say, now what they tell him? Now I say, okay.
How long is
No
stay for
one.
deportation camp?
I think July, August, now September the deporter. Let me say 1 month plus.
Okay, it's
2
okay.
months and 1 week. 2 months and 1 week.
All right, wait. Not explain again. All my explanation, I don't understand everything. You see this issue, so that's why yesterday I no feel talk because I go sleep over the issue. With what now tell me today.